What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about a new robot pool cleaner. This time it's from Degrii, it's a Degrii Zima Lite. Considering the price of this robot pool cleaner, I believe this is one of the best because it costs less than $600 but performs better than many other flagship pool cleaners. Well, before we dive deep into the performance of this Degrii Zima Lite, one request. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Oh, okay, another thing. I haven't bought this pool cleaner for myself. It's for a friend Emma, and Emma is gonna do the unboxing. There is no way I'm gonna talk about outlook and appearance of a robot pool cleaner, cause it's gonna stay underwater inside the swimming pool. Anyway, it has a sturdy build quality and I personally think it looks nice. Degrii Zima Lite features a sleek and modern design that complements any pool aesthetic. These green spots in front and left are the ultrasonic radar sensors. I'm mentioning this because this is one of the most important features of this Degrii Zima Lite. Zima Lite's clever design incorporates anti-tangle features that minimize the possibility of cords or brushes getting snagged on ladders, pool toys, or other obstacles. This ensures smooth operation and uninterrupted cleaning cycles. I really like that it is designed for user-friendly maintenance. The large capacity filter components allow for easy access and cleaning, while the brushes are simple to remove and replace when necessary. Degrii Zima Lite's powerful cleaning performance is driven by a triple motor design. This three-motor system delivers superior navigation, strong suction, and efficient movement. Degrii Zima Lite has a built-in advanced navigation with ultrasonic radars. Unlike the other robot pool cleaners that rely on random bouncing, Zima Lite utilizes two ultrasonic radars to meticulously map the pool's floor, walls, and waterline. This intelligent navigation system ensures comprehensive cleaning coverage, eliminating the possibility of missed spots. Considering the price point of less than $600, this is an amazing feature. Not only it can create an efficient cleaning path, but also does the cleaning job better, cause it is equipped with a powerful 206-watt motor and delivers an impressive suction at a rate of 4000 GPH. That's 4000 gallons per hour. This exceptional suction tackles everything, from leaves and debris to the fine dirt particles, leaving the pool sparkling clean. The third motor propels the cleaner throughout the pool. This efficient motor ensures smooth and agile movement, allowing the Zima Lite to navigate tight corners, climb walls, and maneuver around obstacles with ease. Zima Lite has two large capacity filters with a fine mesh of 180 microns that efficiently traps dirt, dust, and all the other particles. This multi-stage filtration system contributes to cleaner, clearer pool water by capturing debris before it can recirculate throughout the pool. After using this Zima Lite robot pool cleaner for a few days in a row, I have noticed that it efficiently traps dirt, dust, and even very small particles, so that the water of the pool gets cleaner, clearer, and healthier. Equipped with robust traction legs, the Zima Lite boasts superior climbing capabilities. This allows it to effortlessly scale walls to different angles and navigate uneven surfaces, ensuring a clean sweep of the pool, including hard-to-reach areas like ledges and steps. Despite its powerful performance, the Degrii Zima Lite operates at a surprisingly low noise level. This makes it ideal for pool owners who want to enjoy a peaceful poolside experience without the disruption of loud cleaning equipment. Zima Lite is equipped with a high-capacity 9300 mAh lithium-ion battery, providing up to 3 hours of cleaning runtime and 350 m² cleaning coverage on a single charge. This extended runtime is sufficient for most pools, ensuring a thorough clean without needing to recharge mid-cycle. If you're gonna use this Zima Lite to clean a residential pool, then it will be able to clean the pool 3 to 5 times on a single charge. Kudos to Degrii. Well, when it comes to recharging, Degrii Zima Lite supports up to 64-watt fast charging. As I have tested many other robot pool cleaners, I can say without any hesitation, Degrii Zima Lite gets charged faster than most of the other robot pool cleaners. And that ensures minimal downtime between the cleaning cycles. Oh, I need to mention, the charging port must be covered before you put the Zima Lite into the pool. Well, I bought this for my friend Emma. She is Eva's elder sister, and she was a bit worried what will happen if Zima Lite doesn't have any battery when it is cleaning her pool. Will she need to dive into the pool to pick it up or not? Actually, Zima Lite is equipped with a low battery sensor. When the battery level dips below a certain threshold, usually around 10%, the Zima Lite will automatically navigate back to the pool's edge, so it is easy to retrieve this robot pool cleaner from the pool. This intelligent feature prevents the Zima Lite from getting stuck in the middle of the pool due to a dead battery. Well, let's talk about compatibility. Thanks to its powerful suction and adaptable brush system, Zima Lite robot pool cleaner can effectively clean different type of pool surfaces. It can clean any type of pool with different surfaces and different shapes, as it can create and customize its cleaning path. Moreover, Degrii Zima Lite supports different type of cleaning modes, so we can select the one that we prefer. We can conveniently select the desired mood through the smartphone application or via a button on this robot pool cleaner. Overall mode cleans both the floor and walls of our pool, ensuring a thorough cleaning from top to bottom. Floor mode focuses on cleaning the bottom of our pool, ideal for tackling settled dirt and debris. Wall mode directs this pool robot cleaner to specifically target the walls of our pool, including the water line for a clean and polished look. Finally, let's talk about the application. Degrii Zima Lite takes pool cleaning to a whole new level with its intuitive application. The smartphone application is available on Apple App Store and Google Play Store, so you don't have to worry. Inside the application, we can choose our preferred cleaning mode, duration, and suction power. Not only that, we can also check the cleaning history of this Degrii Zima Lite. Moreover, in the settings, we can change the turning radius from narrow to regular to wide. So Degrii Zima Lite can tackle any type of pool shape, and we can also change the cleaning path from zigzag pattern to dynamic pattern. I personally prefer the dynamic pattern. Well, that's all about this Degrii Zima Lite robot pool cleaner.